Morning parents, this is Bimal Raj and today my question to you is, do you have a morning routine or maybe even an evening routine? Because as parents we all want our kids to be healthy, active, physically active. We want them to go out and have fun, play, but unfortunately many of us don't take our health seriously. Let our children see us take our health seriously, even if it's for a walk, it's for a run and anything, but make it a routine so that your kids see it, because it's very important that your kids develop their physical abilities, especially during their teens, because there's something called as muscle memory, and whatever you do as a teen, it helps you even when they become old and they suddenly realize that, okay, I'm not in my best of the health and I need to start exercising. And whatever they did during their teen years will definitely help them get into shape. Okay, so don't be a hypocrite. Don't just tell your kids what they should be doing and they should be exercising every single day. Get out, wear the shoes and get out for a walk, get out for a run. Let your kids see that you take your health seriously so that they also feel inspired to do the same. Thank you.